everybody, this is Jared at Escape Adventures. Just north of the city of Phoenix, Arizona lies an incredible trail called the BCT. That stands for Black Canyon Trail. Now this is an old cattle trail used back in the 1800s to drive cattle. But now it's been repurposed into a great mountain bike single track, a multi-day mountain bike touring route. I hope you enjoy it as we wind our way through the saguaro cactuses and cholla cactuses. Enjoy. Thanks for joining us. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video footage as I did filming it. And I hope to have you out on a trip someday. And remember, live your dreams, don't dream your life. Thanks for joining us.